You've been working 40 hours a week for 10 years, and you're still broke. Here's the brutal truth nobody told you. Your paycheck was designed to keep you poor. The richest 1% don't earn money the way you do. They don't even think about money the way you do. By the end of this video, you're going to see exactly how they play a completely different game, one where the rules are rigged in their favor. Stick around because move number 3 will change how you look at your bank account forever. Let's start with the trap. Every 2 weeks, your paycheck hits your account. It feels like progress, right? Wrong. Before you even see that money, the government has already taken its cut. Then comes rent, then groceries, then gas, then your car payment, then student loans. By the time you're done paying everyone else, there's nothing left for you. This isn't an accident. This is exactly how the system was designed. Economists call it wage slavery for a reason. You trade 8 hours of your life for a number on a screen, and that number disappears before the next paycheck even arrives. Meanwhile, the price of everything you need keeps going up. Rent is up 30% in 5 years. Groceries are up 25%. Gas, healthcare, insurance, all climbing. But your salary? It barely moved. You're running on a treadmill that keeps speeding up. And the worst part? Most people will run on this treadmill for 40 years and retire with less than $50,000 in savings. Now here's where it gets interesting. The 1%. The people who actually own things in this country, they don't play this game at all. They don't trade time for money. They trade money for more money. While you're working for your dollar, their dollars are working for them. While you're stuck in traffic at 7 a.m., their assets are generating cash flow in their sleep. The fundamental difference? Mindset. The middle class asks, how much does it cost? The wealthy ask, how much does it produce? The middle class buys a $50,000 car that loses value every day. The wealthy buy a $50,000 rental property that pays them every month. Same money, completely different outcomes. This is the shift. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. Move number 1, buy assets, not liabilities. An asset puts money into your pocket. A liability takes money out. That's the entire definition. Your house, if you live in it, it's a liability. It costs you mortgage, taxes, repairs every month. A rental property? That's an asset. It pays you rent every month. Your car? Liability. A car you rent out on Turo? Asset. The 1% spend their entire lives accumulating assets. They buy stocks that pay dividends, real estate that generates rent, businesses that produce profit. Every single dollar they make goes into something that produces more dollars. Meanwhile, the average person spends their dollars on shiny things that lose value the second they leave the store. New phone every year, new car every 3, designer clothes, vacations on credit cards. None of it makes you richer. All of it makes someone else richer. Move number 2, learn the tax game. Here's something they never taught you in school. The tax code is not a punishment, it's a roadmap. The wealthy don't pay less in taxes because they have better accountants. They pay less because the tax code rewards them for doing things the government wants done, building businesses, creating jobs, investing in real estate. The system literally pays you to play it. As an employee, you pay taxes first, then you spend what's left. As a business owner, you spend first on assets, on growth, on operations, and then you pay taxes on what's left. That's the entire game, same dollar, completely different tax bill. Donald Bren, one of the richest real estate investors in America, pays a tax rate lower than most teachers. That's not a loophole. That's the rules. Most people just don't read the rule book. And here's move number 3, the one I promised would change everything. The 1% don't use their own money to get rich. They use other people's money. This is called leverage, and it's the single most powerful wealth-building tool in existence. When you take out a $400,000 mortgage on a rental property, You only put down $80,000 of your own cash, but you control a $400,000 asset. If that property goes up just 5% in a year, you didn't make 5% on your 80,000, you made 25%. That's leverage. Banks want to give you money. The IRS wants you to borrow for assets. Investors are always looking for places to park their cash. The wealthy understand that their job isn't to save more money, it's to attract more capital. Every billionaire you've ever heard of built their empire using debt. Strategic, productive debt. The kind that buys assets that pay the debt off for you. Meanwhile, the average person uses debt to buy things that lose value. That's the difference between getting rich and getting destroyed. Move number 4. Build multiple streams of income. The average millionaire has 7 different income streams. 7. Most people have 1. A single job that, if they lose it tomorrow, ruins their entire life. That's not security, that's fragility. Stream 1 might be your job, your active income. Stream 2, a side hustle. Stream 3, dividends from stocks. Stream 4, rent from real estate. Stream 5, royalties from a book or course. Stream 6, interest from savings or bonds. Stream 7, profits from a business you own but don't run. Each stream by itself, maybe a few $100s a month, but together, they become a financial fortress. If 1 disappears, 6 still pay you. If 2 disappear, 5 still pay you. The 1% don't worry about losing their job because they don't have 1 job. They have a portfolio of cash flows. Start with 1 extra stream, then add another and another. This is how ordinary people become wealthy. So here's the truth. The system isn't broken. It's working exactly as designed to keep the producers producing and the owners owning. You don't need to work harder. You don't need to skip your morning coffee. You don't need to hustle 80 hours a week. You need to change what you're working for. Stop trading time for money. Start trading money for assets. Stop spending on liabilities. Start investing in income streams. Stop being a customer of the wealth game. Start playing it. The richest people on earth started exactly where you are right now. The only difference? They saw the game, and they decided to play. Now it's your turn. If this opened your eyes even a little, hit subscribe. I drop a video like this every week breaking down exactly how to escape the paycheck trap and build real wealth. The next one will change your life. I'll see you there.